Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to do a Primark haul for you guys because you guys seem to really love when I do these. So I thought, why not, let's do one for the summer because I've got a summer holiday coming up. If you guys have been here before, then hey, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are here for the first time, then my name is Sheeran and I talk about all things kind of beauty, fashion, that sort of thing, lifestyle. So I really hope you enjoy my channel. Please be sure to subscribe and not miss out on any of my videos. So in my bag of goodies today, I have a bit of random stuff. Some of the stuff I'm going to try on for you guys and some stuff obviously I can't. So the first thing, oh my god, I wanted to talk about these cute little shorts. As I said, I'm going on holiday a couple of times. I'm actually going to France first of all, and then I'm going away again kind of end of summer. So I just thought these were really pretty, like a really mustardy yellow kind of colour, and they're meant to be quite like a baggy sort of short. Now I'm actually in the process of dieting at the moment for my summer hauls, so hopefully my legs will look a little bit slimmer in these by the time I get to wear them. But anyway, so these are my little shorts. They're just a really nice kind of cool fabric, and I thought they'd be super cute for walking around either in a bikini or with like a white or black top, kind of like a little cami top underneath. Yeah, tank top, that sort of thing. Anyway, loving those. Then I've kind of gone a bit yellow mad. So the next thing that I have is a bikini, and this is really cute because this is basically like a real support bikini. I really struggle with support sometimes with bikinis. They can just be so unflattering. So this is like a really nice kind of yellowy colour, and then it has these little ruffles at the top, and it's a halter neck one, which I love, or you can tie it kind of around your chest and then it can be like a nice little tank bikini so you don't get any lines, and then it's got a really nice little kind of tie at the back, nice and thick, so it's not going to dig in too much, and then obviously the matching bottoms as well. So I'm going to like a little banana in those, but I'm very excited. Next up I have these really pretty little sandals. These are so cute. I just really liked the colour of them. The little studs almost remind me kind of like of Carvela ones that I used to have years ago, but obviously these are super cheap. So they're kind of like a rose gold, I'd say, with like a white. So I just thought they'd look really nice and pretty with kind of anything. I always go for a size bigger than I am in shoes, just because I find that sometimes, especially with sandals, they kind of rub, especially on the little foot bit. So these are actually an 8, but I'm normally a 7. I have quite big feet, but I am rather tall, so that does make sense, so I don't fall over. But yes, I thought they would go really nicely with a few different outfits, and especially they would go nicely with this dress. So this dress again is a really beautiful maxi dress, and it's yellow, mustard yellow. It's got a really nice kind of just soft kind of rounded neckline, and you can adjust the straps as well if you want to make it a bit longer. So I thought for me being quite tall, that might be quite useful. And I thought it would look really nice with those sandals. And then also to go with that dress, I also got this brown belt. So I'm going to use this as a waist belt. Now annoyingly they only had a large left, so I'm just going to have to kind of cut the end. That's what I tend to do, is like cut them down to size, and then if I don't have any holes left I just make my own. So a little bit of a tip there, if you guys can't find the right size, you can always make your own. And this is going to go a waist belt around the mustardy yellow. I just thought that was a really nice combo. So yes, that's my little belt there, and a belt for £1.50, cannot go wrong. Then I thought also these earrings would look super cute. They are some black and gold kind of feathery little numbers, and I never wear earrings, but actually I really like them. They're kind of quite different for me. They're almost quite like festival kind of thing, do you know what I mean? That's got kind of vibe going on there. A bit of black and gold, and I just really love them. I can't wear stuff like this for too long because my ears are very sensitive, so I have to be very careful, but just for like a little fashion statement once in a while, I think these are perfect. Next I have one of the old classic 90s throwbacks. I have an anklet. Oh my gosh, so I have not worn one of these in years, but I'm very excited. So this is just a really nice kind of cream lace one, and then it's just got this little leaf kind of gold and kind of pink ball detail. I just thought that was a really pretty one, and I love anklets, especially when I'm away. I never really tend to wear them back in the UK because I do feel like they're a holiday thing, but yeah, just thought that was really cute. And I'm not going to go swimming with that or anything because it has got some kind of gold on the back as well, like gold plated whatever that is, metal. So I'm not going to go in the water with that because that would rust in an instant. But I just thought it would be pretty pretty for while I'm away. And then the final thing for you guys I want to show you. I've been walking past this every single time I go in, and I've literally always thought I would love to try that and see what it's like. So if any of you guys have tried this, please do let me know because I really want to know what it's like. So I went for their own tan. Now this one is the Bronze Radiant Glow Self Tan Mousse, and this one is in medium to dark. And then I also got the Flawless Self Tan Applicator. Now I really like mousses, they do other kind of versions, but just for me, I find they're really streak free and they're just the easiest way to apply tan. So I loved that and I really wanted to give it a try, just because I was really interested, because I use a lot of like St. Moritz, which is quite a cheap tan, it's quite a cheap version, but it's a really nice colour. So I wanted to see if, you know, Primark's own was any good. So if you guys have tried this, please let me know in the comment section below, because I'd love to know your thoughts and what you have, if you've liked it. Otherwise, I'll try and pop something on social media or on a video to show you guys if I liked it. And that is my little haul for you guys. I'm really sorry about my manky hair today. I need to totally wash it in a second, and I thought, do I film first or do I wash it and then go through all the blow drying? It takes like an hour. No, let's just film it first and hide it with some carefully placed sunglasses. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Please give me a massive thumbs up if you like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And I will see you lovely lot in another few days in my next video. Bye!